So this is about 11 a.m. It's kind of drizzling out, and things are starting to feel a little damp. The sun has gone away. We're under cover, and we'll see where we're going from here. Hey everybody. Well, it's about 2 p.m. on the 4th of March. It's raining. It's about 39 degrees. And we have a blizzard warning coming in. Suspected at starting at 9 tonight and going until 3 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. So I'm going to be poking my head out here a few times, I'm sure of it. Giving some updates, and it sounds like staying ahead of the snow. There's about 4 to 8 inches is what they're calling for us now. So I'll stay ahead of stuff. And 2 p.m. Tuesday, March 4th, 39 degrees. So it's Tuesday the 4th, about 6 p.m. And as you can see, it is starting to snow. The rain has turned over to snow. And it's blowing out of the north. Get a sense of how it's blowing. So we begin. Sidewalk so far, good to go. Wish me luck. So it's about 10 to 9 at night, Tuesday night. And as you can see, it's starting to build up out here a little bit. It's blowing and snowing. We just lost power for about 30-40 minutes because of the wind, I'm sure. But we have power back on, yard lights back on, house is back on. So far so good. Yee, here we go, blizzard time. 9 p.m. Tuesday night, March 4th. Just got power, so I am just getting internet back up, and my phone is not sending text messages right now either. Probably, I don't know why. I don't have signal, but and wireless is really slim, on and off. So fireplace is on. I found the manual switch, and we got candles going. So we're all right. All is well. So, okay, gotta call the dogs back in. It's 12:22 a.m. in the morning, and I don't know if you can hear it, but the wind is howling. Come on, dogs. Come on, let's go. Wednesday morning, 7 o'clock in the morning. And we have snow, and it's still blowing. and nobody's going anywhere. 7 o'clock in the morning. 7:15-ish. Okay, come on, guys. Come on in the house. Come on. Look at it. Come on, Bubby. Come on, Bush. Come on, bud. Come on, Bush. Come on, bud. Hey, everybody. I think it's about, I don't know, 11 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday morning, and we're going to see if we can't get on top of some of this snow out here. And start here. Sit you down about right here. I don't have my mic on, so let's see what that looks like. Bring it up a little bit. Alright, I gotta get the snow done. So we had a power outage last night for about an hour, so I'm probably gonna walk out to the trailer here a little bit and make sure that the heater's back on. I'm not sure if my heater trips back and the electricity goes back or not, so. drift that goes all the way, comes around the house. Yeah, I'm winded. Yeah. Holy crap. Heavy, wet, compact snow. I gotta, that's it. That's all she wrote. Come on, Bubba. Well, hey everybody. It's about 3:45 in the afternoon on Wednesday afternoon, March. I'm not even gonna try. 5th. I'm gonna go tackle the rest of this drift. Looks like the sun has come out. Yeah, it got pretty blowy, pretty snowy, pretty Minnesota. So I'm just gonna set you and go get this work done. Let's start the van too. It's time. So, yeah, that should work. I've got my mic on, so you probably hear me huff and puff and carry on. I suppose to move the snow, it would help if I had the snow removal tool called the shovel. Still windy. It's still icy. But if we're lucky, temps will come right back. And this will be definitely a winter, spring storm. Okay, Bart, move out of the way. Come on, get out of here. I'm working on it. Don't throw it out. It's packed and it's wet and it's heavy. Whew, it's wet. Very wet. And packed. I don't know if you can see that from back there. I'm not sure if I'm even on frame. If I am, cool. If I'm not, I'll shoot something else later. But I want to get out to the van and get it turned over because it's been a couple days. Oh man. Soaking wet. It's wet. It's wet snow. I just stepped through. I got through it, guys. I got through it. Nothing. Wow. That's crazy. You look back. Wow. Alright. Hi, Silver. Hi, Van Man. Oh, man. How are you out here? It was a blizzard. How are you? How are you? Yeah, Bubba. Silver got snow in him. You can do it, Silver. Yikes. We're not doing anything, boo. We're not going anywhere. When you're in the sun and out of the wind, it's very nice. It is not bad. Stop barking at me. We're not going in right now. Knock it off, will you? Come here, Barn. Come here. Hi. How are you? How are ya? How are ya? Huh? It's a little cold, but the sun feels good. Hi, Bubba. Hey, Bastion. Come here. Bastion, can you come here? I don't stand in the exhaust of the van. It's probably not cool. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got snow drifted around on the trailer. Shoot. I gotta walk out there because I'm not sure with the power outage we had last night if this heater in here started up again or not. So, kind of a mini drift out here right by my door. What? We have snow on the step. Are you warm in here? Huh? No, you didn't power back, did you? There you go. Come down a little bit. Yeah, you do it to there, okay? No, it's not bad though, but I bet it got cold. Over the night. Sun's been on it. So things are dripping. Well, not quite dripping. But I'm not giving you a treat just because we're out here. Come on. Okay. Back through the little drift. And back through my same steps that I came out here in. Yeah, Barn, hi. Hey, everybody. All right, well, it's a beautiful day. It's still windy. And I'm glad the bus drivers aren't going to be doing any kids today, from what I'm seeing. I could say so much more, but I won't. Okay. So, let me pick you up, take you for a walk. See what's happening. So, here's the drift. See if I can get through it before one of the boys come through. Show you the size. Come here. Come here. One of yous. Thank you. Thank you. Couldn't do it without you. So yeah, there's the trailer over there. Got kind of a drift right out in front of it. So, just gonna let the fan run for a few minutes, get the oil warmed up a little bit, get the juices flowing. When the power went off last night, means no fireplace, no heat. So I got thinking there's got to be a manual switch for that fireplace to get turned on. It's gas, so I got under there and started looking around and applied my girl power, like I said. Figured it out, turned it on, lit some candles, hunkered in. Brave Minnesotan, I guess. Still. Anyway, the sun is out today. It's gorgeous. It's not bad. Wind is brisk. And we'll see how long it takes. I've got some work to do on Saturday, Wednesday today. So we'll see. We get dug out when we get dug out. So till then, I've got everything I need. Oh yeah, that was the other thing. Cell phone service and internet out here goes dark when it's a whiteout. So not only was I in the dark for about an hour, but most of the evening till about midnight last night, there was very little internet to the point where TV was worthless to even watch. It was frustrating more than anything. And then no texting and no phoning off of my cell phone. So the last that my family heard from me was, lights just went out, fingers crossed. I think is the last thing two of my sisters heard from me. So, but they know I'm a smart girl, and I've always got my trailer. I thought, and propane tanks, and I could go out and fire that heater up anytime. So that was always plan B if I needed to. Didn't want to have to. It was a blizzard as we know it. Blizzard as we know it. But so we did it. We did it. Yay! I went out and waved at him and said thank you. And, oh, it's so heavy and wet. Thank God these guys got their, they're the toys they need to do what they need to do. Thank God. All right. So we're not trapped. We won't get the van stuck, I don't think. Okay. Oh, God. So I just want to tell you guys this here quick. We were just coming back through this. Here, let me turn we're just coming back from the mailbox. We were getting mail. And the boys took off, got out into this grass out here. And you could see the paths that go through it and stuff. And then all of a sudden there'll be like a bed. Like where deer have been laying down and stuff. And they were not going to come out of there as they wanted to, but they're now moved on to the next big snowbank. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. Here's a little look around from out here. We're about halfway up the drive. There's a little bridge that goes over, then that river goes all the way over and then cuts to the right. I think it cuts back over to the left and goes back over into that space over there and on through the trees. So anyway, deer bedding. And I've seen pheasants almost every day that I've been out. I've been seeing pheasants, so they're starting to move around. Next we're going to see is skunks being out and probably hit on the roads and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to turn this around one more time for you so you can see what I'm seeing here. Hold on. And here's the captain of the property. Captain Barney of the property. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, you are. I think you know every square inch of it, don't you?
Yes, you do. And here's Patrol over here, keeping an eye out. Got our backs, boo. Got our backs. Take it easy, guys. Love ya. Peace.